In the ever-evolving landscape of business and education, organizations are realizing the power of having their own institute or training center, a hub of knowledge, innovation, and talent development. But, let's face it, the journey from ideation to realization is a complex maze. The process involves intricate steps: designing the training center, planning the layout, architecting the physical space, selecting the right machinery, establishing effective systems, and obtaining the essential accreditation. It's a daunting task, to say the least. Ittihad AIS is an experienced consultant in the realm of training center establishment. We understand that this journey can be overwhelming for organizations, and that's where Series 1 training center establishment comes into play. Series 1 is your one-stop solution covering the entire spectrum of services needed to establish your training center. Let's break it down. Institute or Training Center Blueprint. Ittihad AIS offered services of creating physical and functional layout for an educational institute or training center. It involves designing, planning, and organizing the institute's infrastructure, facilities and spaces to support its educational objectives and overall learning experience. Training Center Registration and Establishment. It serves as a roadmap that helps guide the development and implementation of the Institute's goals, objectives, strategies, and operational processes. This will cover aspects such as curriculum design, infrastructure, staffing, financial planning, marketing, and quality assurance. The final element in this series is Institute or Training Center Accreditation. Guidance through the accreditation process, compliance with regulatory standards. Accreditation support ensures that your training center gains the recognition it deserves, establishing credibility in the educational landscape. Our services are not limited to civilian educational institutions but also extend to the armed forces, including military and police academies. We specialize in creating bespoke layouts for military and police training facilities, ensuring they meet the specific needs of rigorous training environments. This includes designing obstacle courses, shooting ranges, tactical training areas, and specialized classrooms for theoretical learning. We assist in developing curricula that cater to the unique training requirements of military and police cadets and professionals. Our expertise ensures that the programs are comprehensive, covering physical training, tactical skills, leadership development, and academic education. By leveraging our expertise, military and police training centers can develop robust programs that effectively prepare cadets and professionals for their demanding roles. Ittihad AIS is dedicated to supporting both civilian and armed forces educational institutions in achieving excellence. Through meticulously planned and executed infrastructure and training programs. Now, here's the bottom line: establishing your institute is an investment, not just in education but in the future. Imagine the time and money you could save. By partnering with experienced consultants who have been down this path before. Whether you are starting anew or seeking to elevate your existing training center or institute, Ittihad AIS is your partner in the journey from good to great. Join us in shaping the future of education and unlocking the full potential of your institute. By choosing Ittihad AIS and Series 1 Training Center Establishment, you're not just saving resources, you're investing in a seamless journey from concept to reality. Contact us today. With Ittihad AIS, your organization's potential is not just recognized, it's realized.